Hey there, this is Sam from the product marketing team here at Bill to talk about international vendor management. International payments should be easy, but oftentimes they involve chasing down complex banking details and worrying about manual data entry errors. Well, today I'm going to show you how to stop that painful back and forth by giving your vendors a secure self-service portal to manage their own details. So let's unpack how this works. When you're adding an international vendor and you've entered in their general info, you'll see an option to invite the vendor rather than entering the details yourself. We always recommend choosing the invite any opportunity you can. It's more secure and it's accurate. When you invite a vendor in most countries, they'll receive a secure link to enter their bank details. However, for vendors in Canada, the UK, and a little over 15 European countries, they're invited to join the Bill network. And this lets them create a free account to set up their bank info, select their preferred currency, and even track payment status. Just a quick note on country support. We are actively expanding this to Australia, India, and the Philippines very soon. So what are the benefits? One is reduced risk. Vendors manage their own info, eliminating any potential manual entry errors. You get time back for your team because you spend less time fielding where's my payment emails or questions, because now vendors can track it themselves. And there is cost savings. So when you pay a vendor who's joined the network, you pay $0 in wire fees for both USD and local currency payments. Exchange rates may apply, but there's no wire fees for sending payments in any currency when the vendor joins the network. So now we can confirm this email and go to the next page and finish the process. And then the vendor receives an email that shows that they've partnered with Bill to manage international payments. They click Accept Invite, and then they go and they hit a landing page that'll show who Bill is, the benefits of creating an account, just some statistics on Bill sending money. And then they create their account, and it'll prompt them to enter in their phone number and verify that. So after they've entered their phone number and gone through that authentication, they just confirm what kind of relationship they have with you. And they'll just confirm a couple of basic things about their business that you may have already entered. They'll pick a business type. We'll just pick a few here for the sake of this example. Accounting software. Then they go next. And there's some basic info about themselves. So we'll go through that real quick. So on this last page here, they add their bank account info. So that's already filled out here. And they do have the option to change their currency that they receive if they'd like. It defaults to euro, so if the bank account is a euro accepting bank account, there's no wire fees incurred by them or by their bank or from Bill. Now, if they do have a US dollar bank account, they can opt to do so, and they do agree to accept a $19.99 transaction fee. So just in advance, as you know, vendors are aware of this before they confirm and set up their account, and then they finish. So there you have it. It's a win-win, pretty simple. Vendors can ensure they get paid in their currency that their bank accepts, avoiding any expected conversion fees. They get full transparency when their money's arriving. You pay with confidence, and once they're all set up, you pay them in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.